Hey everybody, it's Bob from Services Etc. We're cleaning carpets here in a medical facility. As you can see, we have our protective equipment on, our face masks, our gloves. Guess you could say we're working in the belly of the beast. We also perform daily janitorial here at this particular facility. And now more than ever, it is essential to have a clean indoor environment. Indoor air quality is 3 to 5 times more toxic than outside air. First thing, we made sure the carpets were thoroughly vacuumed. The cleaning crew came in and did that ahead of time. Now we're going to pre-spray down a pre-treatment for the carpet to loosen the soil, let it dwell. Then we're going to hot water extract. The nice part about using a truck mounted system is that all the dirty stuff goes right outside to the truck. The vacuum is external and there is no chance of whipping up the air. And then after cleaning, we will be applying a EPA registered disinfectant called Betaclean Spray Plus. And then once the job is wrapped up, we'll use the same product to sanitize our equipment